Hey guys, I'm Abhishek and you are watching TechReview Pro. In today's video, you will learn how to set any custom sound as notification tone on your iPhone. So without delay, let's move forward into the video and learn to set any custom sound as notification tone on iPhone. To set a custom notification tone on your iPhone, we will open any web browser and search for notification tones. Now you can use any legal website to download notification sounds to your iPhone. For example, I'm using Pixabay here, which has several tones in the public domain, meaning you may use them without the need to ask for permissions. However, if you are downloading from the other sources, please ensure that you have the permission to use it. Okay, so here I'll download any sound that I want to set as a custom notification tone on my iPhone. So I'll tap on this to download this tone here, and after tapping on it, I'll get the option to download it. It will easily download this custom notification to my iPhone, and after going to downloads, I'll search for it. And as you can see, the tone I just downloaded is showing up here. Now, let's open GarageBand on your iPhone. If you don't have GarageBand installed on iPhone, you can easily install it from the App Store. Once you have installed it, simply open the GarageBand app and you will see a screen like this. Here, tap on the plus button and select the audio recorder option. As soon as you select it, you will see a layout like this. From the left, you will see a brick-like icon. Tap on it. After tapping, it will take you to the timeline area. Then tap on the second option from the right. That is an omega-like icon. After tapping on it, go to Files. In the Files app, select the notification sound you downloaded earlier. And once you select it, you will see that the sound is here. Now, tap and hold on the notification sound, then tap on the arrow button here. After tapping, go to My Songs. As you can see, the song we just created is here. So now to set this song as a custom notification tone on your iPhone, tap and hold on to it and then select the share options followed by selecting the ringtone option. After that, if you want, you may also change its name here. For example, I'll change its name to custom notification and then tap on export. Now my notification sound which I downloaded to set as a custom notification tone is ready. So now let's go to settings on your iPhone. From there, go to sounds and haptics. Then go to text tone. In the text tone settings, you won't see any custom sounds right away because all the notification sounds here are default. So to set a custom notification sound here, you need to scroll all the way down. After scrolling, you will see the section for ringtones. You will find the custom notification tone we just created here. Tap on it. Your notification sound will be set here. You can see that our notification sound in text tone has changed. Similarly, if you want, you can easily set custom notification tone for voicemails, new mails, sent mails, calendar alerts and reminder alerts as well on your iPhone using this method. So friends, this is how you can download any notification sounds on your iPhone and set it as custom notification tone on your iPhone. But if you want to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone, then make sure to tap here to watch this full tutorial.